I don't want you to go back to school, guys. Not even one of you. No. A very expensive thing. At the same
Tama.
time, it doesn't make sense. You're going back to the cycle.
Mm,
Kaya kagaya
mm.
mo, 'di ba? Mag-open permit ka nga, that's true. Pero at the end of the day, you're looking pa rin ng experience. You still need that experience. Nasa kayo ng economic class. Ibig sabihin, kayong mga under that economic class program, you will need an experience to claim that pathway for PR.
Kasi nung nag-announce po yung immigration by January na yun nga, hindi eligible yung SOWP pag ganito, ganyan. Parang nagka-panic attack po kami kasi
Yeah.
yung yung plan namin is very smooth na ganito sila na bawal na mag-extend yung spouse pag ganito lang yung work mo. So kung alam lang po namin sana na yun yung LAMEA is
Saving grace natin ngayon as temporary resident visa holder, lawyer kasi kailangan nyo ng experience, legitimate experience. Hindi yung dahil mayroon nga yung iba tourist visa, tapos nagka-experience sila na naka-cash job. Ano na ako, qualified? No, it says legitimate. Then may kamag-anak ako sa Pilipinas at walang miracle. But we need to follow whatever the rule, kung ano na yung nandun, and mix up with a little bit outside the box, in between the lines, in between the rules, then you can actually be successful in getting that permanent residency eventually.
pwede po. Yun naman ang goal ng lahat na andito eh.
Of course, yeah.
Diba?
Kaya nga kayo nagpunta dito, iniwan nyo yung buhay nyo sa Pilipinas. And the sad part right now is that inopen up nila yung immigration last year, 2023 and 2024 actually. Actually, post-COVID to itong mga program na to. Then after that, bigla nilang switch off yung faucet, parang ganun. So, lahat kayo pinapunta, pati pamilya, mga anak. I have a process right now. I am handling a client right now. 4 yung anak. Lahat Pilipino, hindi citizen. 2 nawalan na ng status. Imagine how they will live. And they don't wanna go back kasi iniwan na nila lahat That was the situation. May mga nag-resign na. Imagine yung mga yun. Kasi the goal is for you guys to get that permanent residence. But I guarantee you, mag-change ulit ang immigration. Yes, they say, we're actually, hindi naman nila close completely We're holding off, pero they can change it again.